Hello again. My name is David Berman, Director of Training and Public Relations for HTSA, the Home Technology Specialists of America. And in this, our final segment, we're going to talk to you a little bit about HD 3D, HD audio, and the future of 3D television technology. Let's start with HD 3D. In its most common form, television broadcast is either 720p or 1080i for high definition. There is currently no 1080p high definition broadcast output. The reason for this is that we just recently switched from analog television to digital television, and all of the broadcast networks had to spend lots of money, millions and millions of dollars, for each of their broadcast station channels to upgrade their equipment to this new digital format. They're not in any real big rush to spend even more money to upgrade the resolution of the output signal to a 1080p. So that 1080i signal, as we just referred to, which is 38 of the 43 high-definition broadcast networks, comes out in the following fashion. It is interlaced, 1080i, and that interlace means that the first field of information is 960 by 540, and the second field of information is 960 by 540, hence assembling it into 1080i. That system, when employed for 3D, splits those fields into two parts. So now it becomes 960 by 270 for the left eye, 960 by 270 for the right eye, and you have to double the amount of information flashed in front of the eye every second. That resolution is pretty close to VHS and is very poor in picture quality. That is why the Masters that was broadcast recently in 3D was of such low quality and therefore not very impacting experience. The other types of systems available are Blu-ray and Internet, and those will both stream a 1080p image. If you want television information in 1080p, you pretty much have to go with Dish Network or DirecTV, because they have 1080p conversion processes at the satellite uplink. So that system will take the 1080i from the broadcast and up-convert it to 1080p. Once it is 1080p, the 3D information kicks in by splitting those images into 960 by 540 and reassembling them. That information is done at 120 hertz, or twice the number of pictures flashed in front of the eye every second. Therefore, you get left eye in the first 120th, right eye in the next 120th, or one whole 1080p picture 60 times a second. That's the way all of these new flat panels that you're buying for your home will operate. The future of 3D technology is that you will get something called full active 3D. And full active 3D is beyond 1080p. It takes a 1920 by 1080 image for the left eye and a 1920 by 1080 image for the right eye, and does that at a minimum of 120 times a second, giving you effectively a 4K by 2K pixel resolution display. That technology is currently only available in one television. That's the digital projection Titan Reference 3D Pro. That system was based on all of the projectors being sold into movie theaters, and it can work with any format. It has the SXRD chip that's capable of displaying that amount of resolution now, and it gives you the largest capability for screen size. So we encourage you, if you want 3D in the best possible way, and money is no object, that system is the one to buy. Beyond that, however, in the next couple of years, you're going to see 4K by 2K panels. Several of them were shown in 2D form at this year's CES. So two other points to make on the future of 3D. One is the signal transmission. While the current HDMI 1.4 will handshake and unlock the 3D chip in the television from the Blu-ray source, and current satellite and set-top boxes are capable of passing that signal on a single HDMI cable, there are still handshake issues related to HDMI as an interface. And what does that mean? That means that sometimes the television and the source don't recognize each other, and the signal won't be allowed to pass. Panasonic has produced a Blu-ray player that has twin outputs, the first for video, the second for HD audio. That way you can run the HD audio directly to your receiver and the video directly to your projector or to your television, and get the best possible performance available to you from the 3D technology experience. Once again, if you have any questions on this topic, we urge you to contact us at htsa.com or contact your local HTSA specialist. Thank you.